DVT can assist with tracing parameter values, proving to be an invaluable tool when dealing with complex designs. Let's take this parameter as an example. Simply hover it with the mouse cursor to see its value and the data type in the tooltip. Of course, the value depends on the context, namely the path within the design hierarchy. This information is always available in the design breadcrumb. You can switch to another design path using the Select Other Design Breadcrumb Instance command from the command palette. To see how the parameter got its value, trigger the Jump to Assignment command. Repeat this process until you find the source of the parameter value. You can also explore parameter values in the Design Hierarchy view. To locate a parameter, type dot followed by part of its name. To see only matching parameters under a specific instance, prefix the search with the instance name followed by /. Double-click on the parameter to jump to the assignment that determines its value. This can be an initial value, parameter override, or def param assignment.